on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Thoughts racing through my head. I try to capture it, but a picture can't hold what a heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. Here we are, this is a time, like a dream coming to life. We live for moments like this. We come alive in moments like this. In moments like this. I don't wanna close my eyes. I'm feeling so alive. I try to find the words, but no words can say what my heart is feeling. I just wanna stop the world from spinning, slow it all down for a minute, so that I can take it in. I can take it in. Here we are, on top of the stars. Never thought we'd ever get this far. We live for moments like this.
Couldn't be happier to spend the rest of my life with her.
I feel like we've waited for this for a long time, and I'm happy it's here.
In the name of God, I, Joseph, take you, Ashlyn, to be my wife.
In the name of God, I, Ashlyn, take you, Joseph, to be my husband.
To have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish.
until we are parted by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
We'll hold up